Hello, I'm Father Ed Hone. I'm the Dean of St Edmund's College, Cambridge.
I'm Mobile Msomi, the Director of Student Wellbeing here at St Edmund's.
I'm Mike, I'm the Senior Tutor here at St Edmund's College.
Hi, I'm Carly.
Hi, I'm Ruth.
Hi, I'm Shelley, and we're part of the Student Services Centre.
My name is Dr. Jason Hawkes and I'm the Head of Admissions at St Edmund's College.
I'm Kieran Devi, I'm Director of Education.
My name is Ekaterina Garkavenka and I'm the Head of Tutorial.
I'm Christina Burton, I'm the College Librarian.
I have the pleasure of being part of the Wellbeing team, which includes our college nurse, the mental health practitioner, as well as our student wellbeing officer. And we're at college and through your academic journey, giving mental health, well-being and disability support. We also can assist with accessing your local GP as well as any other NHS services and services from our local charities.
As Dean, I'm responsible for chapel here and the chapel community, people that come to church here. I'm responsible also as part of the welfare team, looking after students and staff and seeing that everyone's okay. And thirdly, I'm responsible partly for college governance as well.
I'm the Senior Academic Officer of the college. What does that mean in practice? Well, in practice, what it means is that I'm here for students' needs. I'm here for students' educational needs, the organisation of teaching that's provided by the college, and the organisation of welfare and wellbeing support through the teams that report to me. But most of all, I'm here to be your ambassador, if you like. I'm here to look into your interests. I'm here to help forge a collegial community for you to flourish in, and I'm very much looking forward to welcoming you all.
I head up the admissions office and we're responsible for essentially letting all of you in. So we assess everybody's application, whether that's for undergraduate study or postgraduate study, and work with really the experts in your field to make sure that the best candidates are gaining admission to Cambridge and to make sure that you're ending up at the best possible college for you. We also work hard to ensure that we're doing everything we can to improve access to higher education. We really believe that there should be no barriers to higher education at all. So irrespective of where you've come from or your educational journey to date, if you're deserving of a place, we do everything we can to get you over the line and into Cambridge.
I'm here to help you achieve your academic potential. I have oversight of the admissions department, the tutorial department and the library.
I organise the buying of books and electronic resources for the college, and I'm also responsible for the services that we provide, usually in the form of teaching academic protocols. So if you want to know about copyright, or you want to know how not to plagiarise, or how to give a brilliant presentation, or how to write excellent notes, we're the people in the library to show you how to do that.
The tutorial office is responsible for supporting education, administration and welfare of our students, and I'm privileged to lead a very dedicated and knowledgeable team. And we all look forward to supporting you on your academic journey with St Edmund's.
So at Student Services, we're here to help you with a range of needs. If you're not sure who else to talk to, come to us and we can help you or point you in the right direction. We can help you with college letters and paperwork as well, so come and see us if you need anything.
The word I'd use to describe St Edmund's College is community.
Diverse, caring, vibrant.
Multicultural, we're a beautifully vibrant community.
I know lots of different colleges, but there's something different here, something unique.
I think the word would have to be exciting. This is a wonderfully vibrant place. We have students and staff from all over the world. The vibrancy that brings to life here, to your studies, is, we think, unparalleled. I don't think there's been a bored moment in any of my time here, and you'll soon discover that some of the conversations and the relationships that you make in college are some of the best and most exciting that you'll have.